What if I told you this tiny seed could grow a fruit that tastes surprisingly like chocolate pudding? It sounds impossible, but hidden inside this seed is one of nature's strangest fruits. Before the chocolate-like fruit can exist, a long journey must begin underground. Once planted, the seed disappears from sight, but something incredible is already happening. Water awakens the sleeping embryo hidden inside. The first structure isn't a stem. It's a root searching for survival. Unlike many fruits, this tree takes years before producing its first crop. Without strong roots, this future fruit tree would never exist. Then comes the moment growers wait for, the first sign of life above ground. Tiny leaves begin collecting sunlight to fuel growth. The small seedling starts transforming into a young tropical tree. But here's the challenge. Black Sapote growers need patience. Unlike many fruits, this tree takes years before producing its first crop. Year after year, the tree quietly stores energy. Finally, the first flower buds begin to emerge. These flowers hold the future chocolate pudding fruit. Without pollination, there can be no harvest. This tiny exchange triggers one of nature's most unusual transformations. The flowers fade away, replaced by tiny developing fruits. At this stage, nobody would guess what's hidden inside. Month after month, the fruit continues expanding. The fruits remain bright green even as maturity approaches. But the strangest part hasn't happened yet. Freshly picked fruit isn't ready to eat. It must soften first. Inside, a dramatic transformation is taking place. And now comes the moment that surprises everyone. The inside looks almost exactly like chocolate pudding. Its texture is soft, creamy, and unlike almost any other fruit. From a tiny seed to a tree producing nature's chocolate dessert. And to think all of that chocolate-like goodness began inside a seed no bigger than your thumb.